Okay, here's the first look at my 1995 Subaru Sambar. I just picked it up from the port, Newport News, Virginia. 1995 Subaru Sambar KS4. It had a 3.5 score on the auction sheet. It's pretty good shape. It's got the rain visors on it, which I like. Runs really good. There we go. Okay. There we go. Yep. Push button 4-wheel drive. No AC, unfortunately. Little bitty wheels on it. Engine's right there. Underneath here, or you can access it. Turn in this right here with the screwdriver. Here's the passenger side. This interior is in really good shape. I think this is supposed to be red, so it's a little faded, but it's pretty old. Oh, here's the auction sheet. See, 3.5. Cool. Didn't know that was in there. Push. There's a little bit of storage back there. A little cubby. Little headrest. I literally just picked this thing up from the port, so it still needs to be cleaned a little bit. Here's some Japanese beetles. I don't know if those are Japanese or not, but they were there when I picked it up, so maybe Virginia beetles, I don't know. Yeah, Subaru. I don't have no idea what that says, but pretty cool little truck. It runs really good. It gets up to speed easily. So far so good. It runs good, sounds good. Like I said, no major issues. I think the worst thing that I've seen is there's a little dent here, and then a little dent here. I think that's just surface. So I think we can sand that down and get that fixed up. So yeah, this is the first look. Let's take a look at the engine real quick. You just put your screwdriver here, push and turn, and if it's running, be careful, this thing might get hot. And you just pull this down. And here it's running nice and quiet. Sounds good. Looks like maybe they replaced the spark plug wires recently. They look fairly new. I don't see any stickers for timing belt or anything like that. If you know where that might be, drop a comment. But yeah, overall I'm pretty happy with it. Let me know what you think.